Immigrant Finance. Are there down payment programs for first-time homebuyers? Imagine turning the key to your new home and feeling that sense of achievement. Many first-time homebuyers, including immigrants, wonder how to make that dream come true. The good news is that there are programs designed to help with the big upfront cost called a down payment. These are known as down payment assistance programs, and they can make a real difference. They often give grants or loans that do not need to be paid back right away, helping to cover part or all of the down payment and sometimes closing costs. This can lower the amount of money you need to save before buying a home. Most of these programs are aimed at people who meet certain income limits, usually a percentage of the area median income. They also often requiring the home to be your primary residence, meaning you plan to live there full-time. Many programs prefer first-time homebuyers, which generally means you haven't owned a home in the past 3 years. These programs come in different forms, such as grants that do not need repayment if you meet the conditions, forgivable loans that are canceled after a certain period, or deferred payment loans that you only pay back when you sell or refinance the home. The amount of help varies. Some programs offer as little as a few $1,000s, while others can give up to $20,000 or more. For example, some programs provide up to $10,000 or $15,000 to help with the down payment and closing costs. To qualify, you usually need to complete homebuyer education courses and show that you can contribute some of your own savings toward the purchase. There are specific programs in different states and cities. For instance, Illinois and Wisconsin have the Down Payment Plus program, offering up to $10,000 in forgivable grants for people earning up to 80% of the area median income. Maryland has a mortgage program that provides interest-free loans up to $6,000 or loans covering part of the mortgage. Chicago offers a $20,000 grant for residents of the Chicago Housing Authority and $10,000 for other Illinois residents, with some requirements like education and a personal contribution. Banks like Bank of America also have grants up to $10,000 in select markets, which do not need to be paid back. For immigrants, these programs can be especially helpful. They often face challenges like building credit history in a new country, managing visa-related expenses, and saving for large purchases while sending remittances back home. Using down payment assistance programs can reduce the initial financial burden, giving you more room to focus on building your credit and stabilizing your finances. If you are interested, start by researching what programs are available in your area. Contact local housing agencies, nonprofit groups, or banks to find out about specific options. Building your credit score and managing your finances responsibly is key, as many programs requiring mortgage pre-approval. Completing homebuyer education courses can also be very helpful, as they teach you about budgeting, mortgages, and homeownership responsibilities. Be prepared to gather documents like proof of income, residency, and your first-time buyer status. Taking advantage of these programs can put you closer to owning your first home. Combining assistance with careful planning for visa expenses and managing your money in a new country can make the process smoother. Remember, each step you take brings you closer to that key turning point, your new home.